everyone. Hi, welcome to... Okay, so hello. Today we're going to be trolling in the MSP Mall. Hi. I'm Rhett. Are you fake? They have some decent rares and I want to trade them. Are you fake? You're fake. Today we're just trolling and telling people they're fake.
It says that somebody made a...
And that's Savvy talking, by the way, everybody. Whoa,
Yo.
Don't talk to me, noob.
Who's the noob?
I'm trolling in chat rooms.
Well, I said,
Okay.
well, I'm Rick.
Ew, you burped.
Who burped?
A girl in the chat room used ew, you burped. Okay. Rude. Please send gifts for all time.
I'm totally texting the real Donald Trump.
The real Donald. Is his name the real Donald Trump?
No.
By the way, this is a collab with Savvy. So add her on Savvy Gaming, right?
Yup.
I mean, not add.
Savvy Gaming.
Subscribe to her channel. Okay, Savvy, gift me whenever, because I'm about to end this.
Ooh, Holly Swirly, like, fighting.
Guys,
Trying to fight with me.
guys,
OMG,
do you
first of
like
all,
my
I was
outfit?
judging from the start. Second of all, you have to not get triggered at simple opinions.
Girl. Go. Okay.
Why are you talking like you're British?
Why am I talking like I'm British?
1, 3, 2, 1. So funny.
I guess this recorder thing is different because I've never done a recorder like it, but
She's trying to be the nice person. Yeah. Why? But I'm Rick.
Savvy's just wreck and then her dad's like
You're cutting this out.
please give me VIP.
No, you have to cut this out, please.
I will edit this out.
VIP.
I will edit this
You
out.
don't just beg for VIP.
I will edit this out, Savvy. I'm not gonna tell people how you're desperate.
Dude, I should make an account called I Need a BF, I'm Desperate. I'm totally making an account of that. What? Oh, look, I'm sitting next to the couch. Don't come in here, unpack. I'm actually not recording right now, so I'm paused.
Guys, I'm not editing this.
Against the wall.
Guys, I'm not editing this out.
It's not.
I love you guys. Please send gifts for mealtime, and you won't be disappointed. I'm gonna see if people want VIP. Want
I'm just
VIP?
going to...
Wow.
Where do you play it at? I'm just going to restart this entire video.
Okay.
I'm going to play on an airbit real quick.
Give her some diamonds. There.
I'm
There.
like, come on.
Diamond. Savvy. Haha. Please help me with my intro. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good time. And if you want to see cringy things like Savvy Gaming and and if you want to see me troll and give people real VIP next time, and you want to see another mealtime video, just give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and that'll tell me that you guys want more videos like this. Bye!